Hello, in this video we're gonna check which screen shortcuts and gestures work on a lock screen for HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And to do this we'll need to open up the settings right here, go for the bottom and locate accessibility features, then shortcuts and gestures, and now we can see all of the features for shortcuts and gestures. And now let's check which of these settings work when the screen is locked. So first one is AI voice, and you can wake up the AI voice by pressing and holding the power key for 1 second and hold it for 3 seconds to power off the device. And now let's lock the screen and see if the AI voice will wake up. It works fine on the lock screen. Now let's move to another one, Ultra Snapshot, and here you can either open a camera or take a snapshot by double pressing volume down key. So if you want to take a picture without opening the camera, then use a snapshot. If you just want to open the camera, then use that setting. Let's try opening the camera on the lock screen, double press volume down, and it works fine. There's a camera right here. Another one in accessibility, and not this one, and there's a take screenshot, but screenshots are kind of pointless in a locked screen, but let's see if some of them work. But we need to wake up our phone, and now slide down 3 fingers. Screenshots work on a lock screen without any problem. And next is a record screen. Knuckle twice on the screen with 2 knuckles to start recording. I have this feature enabled. Let's try it. I think this one doesn't work. Let's see if I'm not mistaken. It's enabled and works on the unlocked phone and not on the locked one. So this feature doesn't work. Let's move on. Wake screen. Raise to wake and double tap to wake. That works for a lock screen. Let me show you. Let's raise the phone, and right here the phone wakes up. The same as with a quick double press. Yeah, but the phone is placed on these, and it doesn't get these gestures when it doesn't detect the hand. Next thing is mute ringtone or reduce volume by performing gestures with your phone. First one, flip to mute ringtone, and if somebody's calling you, you can perform this motion to mute the ringtone, and you can also use raise to reduce volume. So if your phone is placed like that and there's a ringtone and you raise it just normally like this, it should reduce the ringtone volume. And that's basically all of the settings that work on a lock screen for HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.